Gemstone Lights manufactures a family of smart LED lighting systems. We have created a product that has changed the way you put lights on your home, business, and buildings. Our most popular product is the track lighting system. It has been installed throughout North America on thousands of homes and businesses. But what makes a quality system? There are 5 major components to a track lighting system: the light, track, power kit, controller, and app. All these parts must work together. Let's explore what makes Gemstone Lights special. Our individually addressable lights allow for complete creativity by using RGB color-changing LEDs. Access any color of the rainbow, including cool and bright white. In addition to RGB, we have designed a light that includes a dedicated 2800K warm white LED. With it, create a soft, elegant glow to accent the unique architectural features of your home. Our industry-leading lights use a powerful electronic chip for ultimate control. They are robust, fireproof, waterproof, and UV protected against the elements using watertight connections. Every home is unique in its style. We offer a variety of track profiles and colors customized for your home. Our track is color matched to the soffit or fascia, which produces a clean, low profile look and feel. Have a unique roofline? No problem. We have a solution for you. At Gemstone Lights, we custom design each component of the system to work together in perfect harmony. The power kit has a sleek, modern look and has the appropriate certifications to be installed on homes and businesses in North America. Safety is of the utmost importance to us. This is why we've included critical hardware within our power kits to protect your family and property against short circuits, arcs, and surges. All of our products are safe and certified to the highest electrical standards through UL or ETL. The controller is designed by us to work seamlessly in conjunction with all of our products. It is powerful and uses state-of-the-art computing technology. It is the brain of our system. We oversee the entire development of firmware and software, which allows us the ability to quickly adapt and improve our technology. What is truly remarkable is that the system, although incredibly complex, is simple enough that even a child can run it. Our in-house development team has created the Gemstone Lights app and is dedicated to making sure the user experience is intuitive, fun, and constantly improving. Through the app, create all types of colors and patterns specific to your home, or simply download the pre-built patterns we've made for you. Control your lights remotely, build timers, create custom designs, all with a touch of a button. At Gemstone Lights, we are committed to the highest level of customer satisfaction. We engage and distribute our system through top quality dealers that encompass our same principles and standards. Our authorized dealers are thoroughly vetted and properly trained to ensure high quality installations and customer service. In the event that you require assistance, one of our technicians can easily swap out any individual component of your system and get you back enjoying your Gemstone Lights. Here at Gemstone Lights, we have truly changed the way you can light your house and business. We pride ourselves at having industry-leading hardware, software, and an unbeatable customer experience. We're excited for you to join the movement alongside tens of thousands of happy customers across North America. Visit us at gemstonelights.com and get your lights today.